Düsseldorf Caravan Salon 2017, 24th of August 2017, and this is the Chausson 718 XLB camper. Well, it's a motorhome rather than a camper, and cost there €59,136, and it is 746 centimeters long. And usually I'm going to go inside first to show you what it looks like, because this is the star attraction. It's got this queen bed, which is pretty big really for a queen bed in a vehicle that's only 746 centimeters long, and it can go up and down according to requirements. We'll see that in a moment from the garage. So it's 2 meters long at its longest point and 160 centimeters wide. If that's your car I just mentioned, please will you move it. Got the shower there and the toilet to the right. Bit of hanging space on both sides of the bed. And there's plenty of room around the table as well, with a skylight above. It's got lots and lots of room. Not too certain why up here there's been a space has been left. There may be a reason for that. Maybe they think it's too high to reach up there. I don't know. Let's have a look at the garage. I think this one here is very clever really. Because in the garage, what you can see, okay, it's 114 centimeters tall, so you can easily get two bikes in there when the bed is up. So I presume you'd keep the bed up. If you want to put the bed down, then you possibly have to take the bikes out. I'm not too certain, you don't have to. What I do when I use the bike a lot, I often chain it to the outside of the vehicle, assuming there is somewhere to chain it, so that is. Another little bonus, you've got entrance to the garage from the rear as well. Let's have a look at some of the other features of it, because it offers a 7-year guarantee. It has got, let's have a look, LED lighting. I've got these Seitz windows, XPS isolation. It's got this floor 63.5 millimeters floor, and polyester GRP or GFK roof, and it's got a 7-year guarantee to it. This is a special edition. I think that's quite cute.